I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter for Get It Growing, and we're here at the LSU AgCenter's Botanic Gardens, and we're in the pollinator garden to discuss some of my favorite pollinator plants that are blooming right now. So Rudbeckia is a wonderful genus of plants that not only attracts a lot of pollinators, but it does well in our climate. There's a couple of different species out there that do well, and as you can see, some of them are already starting to bloom. Some will bloom later in the summer as well. Stokes aster, or Stokesia, is a low-mounding perennial that's native to the United States and especially the southern United States. You can find it in an array of colors from white to purple to blue and lavender. Salvia, of course, is probably everyone's go-to pollinator plant. There are so many varieties out there it's impossible to name, but I like to focus on Salvia graniticus. So this is a species of salvia that tends to perennialize better here than some other species. A new super plant for 2025 is Gaura. It's also a wonderful native that is excellent for pollinators. It produces nectar and it really draws them in with its tall spikes of flowers. And lastly, of course, a great standby, Lantana. Lantana is not native, but the new varieties on the market are not invasive at all. They tend to bloom all summer, they're very heat tolerant, and they draw in lots of different species of pollinators. So nowadays we like to look at horticulture a little differently. Not only do we do it for the aesthetic value, but we're trying to have functional plants in the environment. So pollinator plants are so important because loss of habitat, overuse of pesticides has created a decline in important pollinators. And not only are our native pollinators important for seed diversity and genetic diversity, but we also have to think about our food sources. Things like the European honeybee is used heavily to pollinate a lot of the food sources we enjoy. So that's why planting even small pockets of pollinator-friendly plants is important to the health and re-establishing that tapestry so that pollinators of all species can thrive.